In this song, we have to make sure our fingers attack the string quickly and firmly and as a group. When you begin playing cello, you are so concerned with placing your fingers in the right place. And what I'm telling you today is your concern or awareness must be more present in between your fingers, behind your neck with your thumb placement, and beside your cello with where your elbow is. Because your thumb, as we've already seen, can either make you squeak terribly or not, and also the fingers not coming down quickly together will make you squeak as well. So coming down quickly, no matter if you're moving slowly with your bow, it's always quick and firm with your fingers here. Let's first stop thinking about playing a stringed instrument and instead start thinking about playing a wooden instrument. That is correct. I mean this right here, your fingerboard. Your fingers are placing themselves in certain places. The string is just a consequence of the position that you make. And if you would like to experience this with me, take two of your fingers and make space in between your D and G string. See where the string is right here? And I want you to place your fingers down and really feel what the ebony feels like there. Okay? Now put the strings back and then do the same and feel the wood there touching the tips of your fingers. If you can engage the wood, not the string, you will squeak less because it's maybe not a squeak, but it's definitely an unpleasant sound. That's nicely engaged. Now I'm going to feel the wood less. I'm still pushing. And now I'm pressing wood. I'm pushing wood. Pushing the string. Did you see any difference? Watch again. That's wood. Not only did I lose my intonation, but the texture, the timbre has, well, floated away. And that is a simple matter of pushing down and not playing the string, but instead, you at home, you're playing the wood. Thank you for watching. I really hope that you take advantage of these videos to my side here, if you're watching on a platform that you can see them, and to enjoy more content on this channel. So until next time, bye-bye.